This 2018 Winnebago Travato 59G is a Class B RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa 50,436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features an Urban Beige with high-gloss Marbella Italian Tecno interior, sleeps 4, and 24 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front entertainment, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2018 Winnebago Travato 59G is built on a RAM ProMaster chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.